Hello mga mommies! Happy Family Week! Yes, for the C family, our secret ingredient, cucumber or pipino. So sa halagang 50 pesos, we will create a wonderful recipe. Tara! Dito tayo!
Welcome back, Mommies and Sis, to Mommy's Day Off.
Family comes first. Celebrating the 29th National Family Week 2021. BFF Building Forever Families.
This is the C family, and right now, kaming tatlo ang magkakasama ang El Tres Viajeras. So we are presenting the buttered cucumber and sweet corn. Ito yung mga ingredients natin. So first, let's start by chopping off our cucumber, the secret ingredient. Ayan, so I just cut it into half. If you can see, yan yung mga photos namin mga family na we love to eat together. So you just have to peel off yung cucumber. And make sure that you use a peeler para hindi sobrang kapal. And then you have to dice the peeled cucumber and set it aside. Ayan, slow-mo pa. And of course, the next thing you need to do is chop yung ating mga onions, the white onion that is going to be a sweet onion. Maganda rin naman yung purple, but I chose the white one because it's sweet. And you can just chop that, dice it as well. Or if you want to add like design, you can do it in circle na parang beef steak. But I prefer it diced. Next is our garlic. So you have to mince the garlic. Isa sa mga important ingredient nito is the garlic. This combats cancer.
Ayan mga mommies and sis, ready na tayo to cook. Naka-preheat na ang ating copper pan and ito ang ating ingredients. Tara! Let's cook! Ayan, so first you have to put the butter. Wag po ang oil. Should be butter. Next, we put in the garlic. Alright. Next is the white onion. Next is the cucumber. And last is the corn. Alright. Sauteed cucumber with jolly whole kernel corn. And then add some pepper. Then add some salt, pepper and salt. Voila! Eto na mga mommies and sis, ang ating cucumber with kernel corn.
To a home strong and peaceful Filipino family. Family and technology partners in overcoming the challenge of the pandemic. My family, my BFF.